animal rivals, but I can only use Revolver. Do you think I'm gonna beat you with this?
Match.
Okay, this is... Oh gosh, this is gonna be difficult. What the frick? Bro. Fudge. Wait, I might actually win. Oh!
Round starting.
God damn. Okay. Where the fuck did you go? Oh! Man, my headshots.
Round starting.
Fudge. Dang it. Oh, I didn't even do any damage to him, bro.
Round starting.
Just gotta hit my headshots. Oh, let's go. Let's go. GG's, man. Like and subscribe.